in much the same way as I respect your opinion, whatever it is. No, but when it comes to the issue of legal, there are rules to follow. So let me start with what the minority leader said as far as the Blue Ribbon Committee is concerned and the order. Malinaw sa rules natin a witness cited in contempt may be ordered by the date in such a place as may be designated by the committee alone or andun yung correct or with the concurrence of the Senate President by either A, one detention order. So it's the Senate President has the power to do that. Ngayon, nung binibigay sa akin nung binigay sa akin yung sulat para i-recommend yung witness protection program ng Diskaya, ang feeling ko incomplete eh. Ang usapan at narinig ko ito kay Secretary of Justice, kailangan tell all, hindi tell half. Di ba? Ang mas binabanggit, 2022 to 2025 eh. Sila number 1 contractor 2016 to 2022 eh. Ba't wala doon ang kwento? Di ba? So, you cannot blame me if I do not want to immediately do that. No? And then I know for a fact, as I said in the media, I know that there is a possibility that we will change the leadership the following day. All right, now let me continue with some of the opinions that were aired. Well, of course, yung nabanggit kanina ni Senator De La Rosa, pasensya na, baka nabigla ako, nagamit ko yung salitang gimmick, ano? Pero it could have been a wrong word that I should not have used. No? Pwede kasing opinion yun, sapagkat yung public ang madalas kumarinig na sinagsasabi nun eh. Ano? Now, as far as I'm concerned, there's nothing illegal or out of the rules that we have done. My opinion, as aired, kung hindi nyo nagustuhan, pagpasensya nyo. Kung hindi nyo nagustuhan yung mga sinabi ko, na opinion ko. Pero I never mentioned names. When I said, baka na-edit, may sinabi ni Senator Pangilinan. Di ba yung thinking eh? Bakit iisipin nyo agad na pinapa-edit ko yung affidavit? Di ba? Hindi eh. So, and when I say those things, you should not feel alluded to. Wala naman akong binanggit na pangalan eh. Di ba? And then yung tinatanong, binanggit yung tungkol sa the Blue Ribbon being a lawyer, does not have anything to do with Senator Marcoleta. It was a question by the public. It was a question even by Secretary Claire Castro or Attorney Claire Castro. The question was, di ba kailangan abogado yun? So that was asked of me. And I said, no. Nothing in the rules says so. Wala na talaga eh. As a matter of fact, we elected Sani Alvarez as Blue Ribbon Chairman for 2 years. And he's not a lawyer. Pinagtipatihan na namin nila na yung Paligo Salis at saka nila Ernie Maceda. Matagal na. Ano? No. He's never a lawyer. Sani Alvarez was not a lawyer. Oh, we even debated about it. No, I'm very sure, 100%. No. Anyway, so again, wala akong binabanggit na gano'n. You should not feel alluded to when I say na ang mga, kasi, at tinatanong nila, hindi naman ako abogado, Senator Lacson. Magaling na investigador eh. Di ba? Talo niya ng karamihan abogado. Hindi ko sinabi si Senator Marcoleta, abogado na yun, o sino pang abogado. I never mentioned anything. I was saying, napakadaming abogado sa Pilipinas, libo-libo. So a lawyer who was not well-versed in investigation, mas gusto ko na yung investigador. That was my point. Alam ba? Why would you feel alluded to, Mr. President, if I did not mention your name? Di ba? Now,